In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cover page in Google Docs. Whether you're a student preparing a school report or someone who needs to add a professional touch to a document, Google Docs provides an easy and efficient way to create a polished cover page. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open up our web browser. Google Docs is a web-based application, so you can use it on any device with internet access. Once your browser is open, go to your search engine and type in Google Docs. Click on the link that appears in your search results to access Google Docs directly. The next step is to log into your Google account. If you're already signed in, you'll be automatically redirected to the Google Docs homepage. If not, be sure to enter your login credentials. Having access to your Google account is essential since it allows you to create, edit, and store your documents online securely. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll see an option labeled Template Gallery. Click on this and you'll be presented with a wide variety of templates that Google provides for different kinds of documents. These templates can save you a lot of time and effort in setting up your document from scratch. Scroll down through the template gallery and you'll notice an Education section. This is where Google has curated templates particularly suited for school reports and similar projects, complete with pre-designed cover page options. If you're looking for something a bit different, you might want to explore the Letters category as well, which includes templates for cover letters that can be adapted into cover pages for other types of documents. When you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it. A new document will open up with the cover page already formatted for you. This is where you can really start to make it your own. Now, you'll want to replace the placeholder text with your personal information. This includes adding your title, your name, the date, and any other details specific to your document. Google Docs also offers a range of customization options, so take full advantage of these. You can modify the font style and size, alter the colors to match the theme of your project, and even add images if they will enhance the overall look of your cover page. And there you have it, a beautifully formatted cover page ready for use. With these simple steps, you can create professional-looking cover pages in no time at all, enhancing the appeal of your reports, essays, or any document that requires a formal introduction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.